Hey guys, my name is Gunbir and I'm part of the Decoy team for DevLabs. And the project we've made is an AI system to scan your calls as soon as you get them and to classify them if they are a scam call or not. And we added a fun part as well. If they were a suspected scam call, we would actually connect them to an AI agent who would talk to waste their time so that we can get information about them and the number and report it to different places to make sure that the number gets flagged and reported as well. So as you can see over here, this is our website. This is the landing page we've made about our website. So our project is called Decoy again, and it is the ultimate shield against scams. So we use real-time global threat intelligence and trained models to actually detect if the person calling is a scammer or not, and if the person says certain keywords, the call gets flagged as a scam. So as you can see over here, we've added a scam detection bot as well, where you can upload pictures or screenshots of suspicious emails, text, numbers, or just email addresses, so we can tell you if those are legitimate or might be potential scams. We also have a global threat map over here, which tells you about the kind of reports currently going on in each different country and what each report actually means. So if I click on this, it shows you the number of reports, what is the threat level, and what are the most common scams actually going on over there. So this is how our landing page works, and now I'm going to show you how the call actually works. So this is my code. So this is the whole code base for our application. So the application does not have a front end. It's all on the server side. So it gets linked directly to your number. And if the call is a scam, then we transfer to the AI agent. So I'm going to show you a demo as well right now. So I'm going to call the number from my phone.
Hi, what's the purpose of the call?
Yeah, hi. So I wanted to sell you some insurance.
Hello there. That sounds interesting. I've been thinking about making sure my family's insurance is in good shape, actually. My neighbor just had a prefab shed burn down, and it reminded me we should review ours. By the way, what kind of insurance are you offering, and is there anything specific you need from me to get started?
Yeah, so for the insurance, I just need your social security number so I can get you a really good insurance for really cheap.
Sorry, could you repeat that? Also, I'm not sure I'm following. Did you say insulin? My memory isn't what it used to be, so I want to make sure I understand correctly. Can you tell me again why you need my social security number and what you're offering exactly?
Yeah, so I just need your social security number for the insurance so I can give you a good deal on it.
Hold on a second. I'm not sure I heard you right. My memory isn't what it used to be. Could you repeat that? Also, social security numbers are a big deal around here. Tell me again why you need it and what kind of insurance you're talking about, please. What exactly would I be getting for sharing that?
Yeah, so we give you a good deal for like a very low price. You get access to top class facilities, hospitals, and you get no medical bills for the whole year.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that? That sounds a bit too good to be true, and I'm not sure I'm following how the pricing and those benefits work.
So as you guys can see, while because I pose as like a scammer, the call and the AI in the background targeted me as an actual scammer and it transferred me to the AI agent to talk and waste my time while it gathers information about me and reports me to the correct places. Now I'm going to pose as like a legitimate friend calling another friend.
Oh.
Okay.
Account. You can remove this. Hi, what is the purpose of the call?
Yeah, hi. I'm here to invite you to a party tomorrow night. So as you can see, the call just got ended by itself. So if you register your number, the call actually gets transferred back to your number. But right now for the demo, I just made the call end instead of transferring because I'm on the phone calling myself. So also I'm going to show you my terminal as well for the call logs. So as you can see over here, for the first call, when I called the database, it checked my name, my phone number in a scam database, and it did not trigger any warnings. because I'm not actually a scammer. I'm just using my own number for this. But when we look at this, because of what I said, has a spam confidence score, which suspected how likely it is to be a scam. And because it had a collected keyword, it activated the detective agent to actually connect to me and waste my time. And after that, it started collecting information about me as well as what's going on about it. And then it just reports it to the correct authorities. But when I called the person posing as like a friend, as you can see, it identified it as like a social context and forwarded the call normally to my actual number, hence showing how the application actually works. So when I called as like a friend, it just directly ended the call because it knew I was an actual person and I was not trying to scam them. Obviously, this does not have 100% accuracy, but we think at Decoy it could be a really good chance at preventing scammers and disproving them by actually annoying them and flagging the scammering numbers as much as we can. Thank you.